What if I told you that going from $0 to $100,000 isn't a fantasy, it's a formula? It doesn't require a six-figure salary, winning the lottery, or launching the next billion-dollar startup. It just takes strategy, discipline, and a mindset shift that most people never make. In this video, I'll walk you through a realistic step-by-step path to your first $100,000, even if you're starting from scratch. This is the blueprint that changes everything. And if you follow it, you won't just hit six figures. You'll build the foundation for lasting wealth and financial independence. And stick with me until the very end, because we're going to break down the tipping point, the moment your money starts working harder than you do. Let's dive in. So why focus on 100,000? Why not aim straight for $1 million? Because your first $100,000 is the most important milestone on the journey to wealth. It's the hardest, but also the most transformative. It's where your habits are built, your mindset is sharpened, and your systems are tested. After that, every dollar starts to work for you in ways you've never experienced before. Even investor Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett's longtime partner, famously said, "The first $100,000 is a bitch, but you gotta do it." And he was right. Once you hit that mark, everything compounds, literally and figuratively. So how do you actually do it? Let's break it down into 8 key stages. Each one stacks on the last. Skip a stage and the entire structure weakens. Stick with it, and you accelerate your path to 6 figures and beyond. Stage 1. Reprogram your money mindset. If you believe making 6 figures is only for CEOs, influencers, or lucky people, you've already lost. The very first step is rewiring the beliefs that are holding you back. Because most people don't fail financially because of external factors. They fail internally. You need to start telling yourself, it's possible, it's available, and it's up to me. Wealth starts in the mind. Feed your brain daily with content that stretches your thinking. Read books like The Millionaire Next Door or Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Listen to podcasts. Watch YouTube channels that teach financial literacy and business, not drama or gossip. Your inputs shape your outcomes. If all your friends think being broke is normal, it's time to find new conversations. Stage 2. Track and control every dollar. You can't grow what you don't measure. Most people have no idea where their money goes each month, and that's exactly why they stay broke. Start by tracking every single dollar you spend for 30 days. No exceptions. Every coffee, every late-night Uber Eats order, every subscription you forgot about. Use apps like YNAB, Mint, or even Google Sheets. This simple habit will open your eyes. It's like turning on a flashlight in a dark room. You'll start to see patterns, waste, and, most importantly, opportunities. Control is the first form of financial power. Once you master this, you're ready to grow. Stage 3. Build a strong surplus. Income minus expenses equals your surplus, and your surplus is your fuel. Start by cutting the waste. Gym memberships you don't use, overpriced phone plans, impulse shopping, and yes, those daily lattes if necessary. But don't just cut, earn more. Ask for a raise. Pick up freelance gigs. Start flipping items, deliver food, sell unused things online. Your goal? Turn your monthly surplus into at least $500, then $1,000. The higher your surplus, the faster your growth. Even a $10 day habit change equals $300 month equals $3,600 year equals tens of thousands compounded. Every dollar you don't spend on junk is a soldier in your wealth army. Stage 4. Destroy high-interest debt. Before you build, you must demolish the walls holding you back. And the biggest wall? High-interest consumer debt. Every dollar of credit card debt at 20% interest is like someone siphoning cash from your future. Focus on paying it off using either the avalanche method, highest interest first, or the snowball method, smallest balance first. If you owe $10,000 at 20% interest, that's $2,000 a year bleeding out. Once that's gone, keep making those payments, but redirect them into savings and investments. That's when things start to compound in your favor. Stage 5. Create an emergency fund. Before you go all in on investing, protect yourself. An emergency fund is not optional. It's your financial armor. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses, saved in a high-yield savings account. This isn't money for vacations or new gadgets. It's for real emergencies. Job loss, car trouble, medical expenses. It gives you the confidence to invest aggressively because you know you're safe. Stage 6. Automate and accelerate your investments. This is where your money starts to work for you. Once you have your surplus and safety net, it's time to automate your investments. Set up recurring transfers from your checking account into investment accounts every payday. This removes emotion and makes wealth building automatic. Some examples of long-term wealth building investments, again, not investment advice, just educational examples, include index funds like VTI or VOO, Roth IRAs or 401ks dividend-paying stocks, real estate investment trusts, REITs, fractional shares via platforms like M1 Finance or Fidelity. Let's say you invest $1,000 a month into a low-cost index fund with a 10% average return. In just over 6 years, you hit 100K. If you invest $500 a month, it'll take closer to 10 years. But here's the key, you're not working harder. Your money is. Set it. Forget it. Let compounding do the heavy lifting. Stage 7. Build high-income skills. Eventually, cutting costs and budgeting reaches a limit. You need to increase the top line, your income. To accelerate your path, learn a high-value skill. Skills like digital marketing, copywriting, sales, software redevelopment, video editing, UX, UI design, public speaking, consulting. These aren't random hobbies. These are monetizable skills people pay for, online or offline. Start freelancing. Take courses. Build a portfolio. Charge $50, then $100 sure, then $2 to $50. That's how people go from $3K a month to $10K a month and stay there. Stage 8. Reinvent how you make money. Most people trade time for money. The wealthy create assets that pay them whether they work or not. Begin building income streams that scale. Online courses, ebooks, affiliate marketing, digital products, YouTube, licensing, rental properties. Again, not investment advice, but educational examples. Start with one stream, then add another, and another. Eventually, your money makes more money than your job ever did. The power of compounding, let's zoom out. Once you hit $100,000, you're not just wealthy, you're leveraged. Because $100,000 invested at 10% returns $10,000 a year. That's $833 a month for doing nothing. Keep investing and you're adding rocket fuel to that engine. Here's the beauty. 100K to 200K is faster than $0 to 100, 200K to 400K is even faster, and 400K to $1 million. That's when true freedom begins, but you have to start. Today, the action plan. Here's what to do right now. Track every dollar you spend for 30 days. Build a $1,000 emergency fund as fast as possible. Kill all high-interest debt. Set up automated investing, even $50 a month. Choose one high-income skill and start learning. Cut your biggest unnecessary expense. Join a free community or forum around money. Read one book this month about money. Start small, but start. Don't wait for more money, more motivation, or more time. Wealth rewards the action takers. And when you hit your first 100,000, celebrate it. Because you've done what most people never will. You've taken control of your money and your life. If this video helped you, subscribe and tap the notification bell. We drop real, no BS content every week to help you build money, mindset, and freedom. Let us know in the comments. Which of these stages are you in right now? This is Wealth Expansion Club, where we believe your future is built one smart decision at a time. See you in the next one.